and welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you a little update on my lily seed sowings. So these seeds have been sown about 3 weeks ago. They came from Brian Bergman, Dr. Brian Bergman. He was very kind to send me some seeds of his crosses, mostly OT crosses. OT means it's a cross between Oriental and Trumpet hybrids, and he told me that they need about between 10 and 16 degrees Celsius to effectively germinate. And now you can see these seedlings. These are the first seedling leaves of lilies. They come up like onion seeds, but they are a little bit thicker. And you can see that they just started to pop out, and then you can see this stage when it's like a U shape, and then the leaves turn upright. These are the first leaves, and these are not actually true leaves, but the true leaves are going to come up within a month or two. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, and you can always leave a comment for me if you have been successful growing lilies from seed. It's a great fun time and a great opportunity to have one-of-a-kind plants in your own garden. If you would like to grow lilies from seed, there are lily societies, and if you live in Europe, I recommend you to join the RHS Lily Group. They have a wonderful selection of lily seeds, and also Brian Bergman regularly donates his seeds to the society. If you want to join, there's a link below in the description. And thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye and see you next time.